Terra Luna shows highest weekly losses among the top 100 as Do Kwon comes under pressure. Interesting. Welcome to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain's here, and let's talk a little bit about this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, the new Terra Luna, so it's two different Terra Lunas. It's a classic one, and then you have a new Terra Luna. Now, this was created after network implosion in May. Is just demonstrating the highest weekly losses among the top 100. Okay, Luna is currently trading at $2.72, down 5.81%, and in the last 24 hours, 58.85% in the past week. Now, Luna saw a 200 run up in the past week. We're still talking about the new Luna, reaching a high of $7.20 on September 10th. However, it stands the token has erased most of these gains, and now it trades below $3. Now, listen to this here. Now, this is the old Terra Luna. Now, LUNC, the token of the old Terra, now renamed Terra Classic, was up 3.21% in the last hour, while marginally down in the last 24 hours at that particular price. Now, the 1.2% tax burn plan to reduce that Luna, the old Terra Luna Classic, or Terra Luna Classic token supply might soon go into effect. So they've been working on that behind the scenes. And of course, Terra CEO Do Kwon faces great pressure, who's basically has been in the news on certain things. Now, let me go and read some of this. It says, according to the prosecutor office, a request to revoke the passport has been sent to the country's foreign ministry. Do Kwon, who's according to the prosecution in Singapore, would theoretically need to return to Seoul within 14 days of receiving a notification of the revocation if the ministry grants the request. Now, the ministry stated that it is reviewing the application and has previously warned that Kwon may try to remain in Singapore without a passport. The most recent action following an arrest warrant issued by a South Korean court for Kwon and 5 other people on allegations of breaking the capital markets law, as reported as today. So there's the news about Do Kwon facing great pressure, and a little bit of news about why the losses is happening in Terra Luna, and a little bit of information on Terra Luna Classic as well. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain here, and thank you for watching this video today. ClearCryptos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you on the next video.